Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel Nicole. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my January favorites. So if you want to see the things I've been loving for the month of January, then just keep watching. Okay, I have a ton of stuff, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm thinking let's start with beauty and then move on to like other random things. Okay, so the first item is this NARS Deep Throat Blush. It is my absolute favorite. I'm actually wearing it today. It is so beautiful. It's like this pinky color, but it's not too pink. Totally buildable, wearable. I absolutely love this blush. So good. I also love NARS Orgasm, but this is more on like the peachier side, which I love. So definitely been loving this guy this past month. Also been really loving the Marc Jacobs Tantalize Omega Bronzer. First of all, the packaging is so beautiful and sleek. I absolutely love it. And looks like this. It's so beautiful. It's like a dark bronzy color. Also wearing it today, really been loving this. So I pair both of these together every single day. These have definitely been my go-to this month. Then for lips, my favorite lip combo this past month has been Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk, my go-to lip liner, amazing. And then over top I add Marc Jacobs Sugar lip gloss on the top, and this color combo is absolutely amazing. I wear it all the time. I had it on earlier today, but now I'm just wearing my Laneige lip balm in Pear. I used to love this one, and then I found the Summer Fridays one. Love that one, but now I rediscovered this in my collection, so I've been reaching for this a lot lately. So this has been like my favorite for this past month. So that's what I've been loving for lips. As far as skincare goes, I'm testing a couple of things out, but what I've been really loving this past month has been the Summer Fridays CC Serum. This stuff not only smells amazing, I feel like actually works. I put it on in the morning right after I cleanse my face and before my moisturizer. Just, it makes me feel awake. I feel like my skin has become more brighter and just really does its job, and I've really been loving this guy. And then after I apply that all over my face, I've been following up with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This stuff is amazing. I've used it so much, as you can see. Yeah, it was like completely full, and now it's like a little less than halfway. I absolutely love this guy. I use it both day and night, and it just feels so moisturizing, and I feel like it really penetrates my skin, which I love. Okay, so next, I guess to go along with beauty, is my water bottle. This is just like the Hydro Flask, except I found it on Amazon for so much cheaper. I think I paid like 19 bucks for this. The color is my favorite color, pink. So yeah, I've been loving this. This is in the 32 ounce. I drank 4 of these a day. This has been my favorite thing so far this month. One of my goals for this year is to drink more water, and this has definitely helped with that. So yeah, it has a little straw. There you go. Or I think you can buy the one that doesn't have the straw. But I feel like with the straw, it helps me drink more water. So yeah, I've been really loving this. So moving on to hair, I got this I think a couple months ago, but I've really been loving this guy. This is the Revlon blow dry brush. I did my hair yesterday. This is what it looks like today. I didn't even touch it up. I just feel like it's so easy to blow dry your hair and like keep it like an actual salon blowout without going to the salon, especially with like everything going on. That has been, this tool has been very helpful. And I feel like it's so quick. I feel like I do my hair in like 10 to 15 minutes, done, and it stays like this for a couple days, which really enjoy. And I feel like I'm not worried about my hair, especially because I bleach it, so it could get a little bit frizzy, or I feel like you just have to like maintain it a lot. But doing this, super quick, easy. I do it once a week, and I feel like it lasts me a very long time. Then for the days where my hair gets a little bit greasy, but I also want to style it, I've been obsessed with clips. I have so many of these. So I bought these from Anthropologie. They're so cute. I love this like tortoise shell kind of looking one, or like a cheetah one. And then this one's so pretty. It's like an iridescent pearl color. These are really cute. So I just put my hair in a little like clip in the back. But then I also found these cute ones on Amazon. This is like a creamy peach one, and I feel like it grabs more of your hair versus this one because it's longer. So yeah, I've been like alternating between these guys. This comes, I think I have 4 other colors: a pink one, a forest green, black, and this one. So I've really been loving clips for this past month. I feel like it's just been such an easy way to like style my hair, also like look put together. So really been loving that. Okay, so moving on. I guess I'm gonna just talk about jewelry. These 2 pieces I've been loving so much, and I've been wearing them so much this month. This is just a simple flat necklace, super pretty. I got this from Heart Made of Gold. I've talked about them before. I absolutely love them. They're so good. I'll put a link for them down below. And then this guy is just like a little A pendant that I got for Christmas from my boyfriend. I'll try to find a link for it down below. It's so easy, and I feel like this combo is like, again, looks put together but so effortless. Like I really didn't even try. I just put on 2 necklaces and it makes your whole look completely different. So yeah, I've been loving these guys a lot. Okay, so I've also been loving a lot of like sports and like activewear stuff, and this little top I recently just got, but I just wanted to show you the kind of material that I've been really loving. It's just like this ribbed material, super easy, and it just literally sucks you in. I feel like this is great for working out. I've ordered so many sets from Amazon, Free People, Forever, Lulu's, and I feel like all of these have like a ribbed kind of material to them. I feel like those are just the most flattering, and they really just suck you in. So these are the kind of, I guess, workout material that I've been buying lately, and I've been so obsessed with. I have so many of them currently in the wash, but yeah, really been loving these guys. Also, to go along with like fashion stuff, I've been really loving oversized sweatshirts. So I just got this one. It's just like a big, huge oversized sweatshirt that I got. I live in these. Right now I'm in Florida, so I literally put this on, put on shorts, and I'm good to go because it can get a little cold, but not too cold where I actually need pants. So I've really been loving that. And then I have another one. This is like in a darker color. It just says California, and it's huge, oversized, long sleeve crew neck sweatshirt. Really been loving that. That has been like my go-to style lately. Just easy grab and go. I don't have to think about what I'm wearing too much. So really been loving that. Also, another item that I've been reaching for so much lately is my Prada 2005 re-edition bag. I love this bag. I wear it so much. If you go on my Instagram, you'll see it's all over there. So I've been loving the style of bag, like this shape to it. So I found like a similar kind of style bag on FOREVER21 that I just got. So this color is like in a nude cream color, and I feel like it would look so perfect with lighter color outfits. So I can like interchange both of these. So yeah, I've been really loving this style bag. I'll find a link for this bag down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. Another thing that I've been loving as far as like fashion, I've been really loving these. I got these shoes for Christmas, and they are my absolute favorite shoe. I wear them so much to work out, to just walk, to just be around the house. These are amazing. I love them so much. They're so comfortable, and I love that the color is all white, so they go with so many of my outfits, and truly one of the most comfortable shoes that I own. So I've really been loving these. And then the last thing I think I want to talk about is my phone case. So this case is so beautiful. It is by Casetify. It just has, I feel like you can see everything. It just has my name on it, and it's a mirror case. It's so beautiful. I love it. It's like a rose goldy color, and then the font of my name is in a light pink color, and I feel like it's so perfect. Literally one of my favorite colors. It goes with every outfit, and it's so fun just to have like a fun phone case. So I've really been loving that. And yeah, I feel like that's all the things I've really been loving for the month of January. If I think of anything else, I'll definitely add it onto this video while I'm like editing it. But yeah, those are the things that I've been loving so far this month. If you guys enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, let me know what your favorite things are in the comments below, because I love to try out new things. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.